Well, I know this is the time you've all been waiting for. For those that's seen my tent, you saw the inside of it. This is the Pandemic Diva tent with my fluffy little white rug. And when I showed the inside, you saw my bathroom corner with my toilet, which I did not reveal. And I got so many people asking me, what are you using as a toilet? Well, here it is, and I'm finally, this is the moment you've all been waiting for the reveal. You ready? Okay. Ta-da! There it is. It's a bucket toilet. Now, I prefer bucket toilets over cassette toilets, especially when you're camping for just a few days, because your cassette toilet, as you know, collects all the waste, and you have to go take it someplace to empty it, and that's not fun. So the bucket toilet, well, what is it? It could be a bucket, it could be something like this, which I really like because it's very sturdy. It has a top on it, and it basically is a garbage bag that you go into, and when you're done, you tie it up and you take it to the dump, or if you're traveling, you can just take it to a gas station and throw it in the trash. Really simple. So I'm not going to take this apart and show you what I have here. This is a plastic garbage bag, and I like the one that is somewhat stretchy because I stretch it over these two little pieces here, and I wrap it around. So the seats stay sanitary because you're never actually using the seat. And here's your garbage bag. Now, I have this underneath, and I'll tell you why. Because once it starts to get full and you have to tie this up and carry it somewhere, you could have an accident, and that would not be fun. So I'm going to just put this back on. Now, the other thing that you can do to stop odor and also to solidify the liquid is use something like poo powder. You probably have seen that on Amazon, you've seen it on other sites, but that can be very expensive. A cheaper way, you ready? Kitty litter, yes, and get lightweight scented kitty litter. It really, I'm telling you, there is absolutely no odor, and it soaks up the liquids. So I put some of this in there, and at the end of the day, I just tie this whole thing up, carry it away. Now, carrying it, that's the other thing. Because it's sort of floppy and it's sort of full and it could be a little, okay, let's get real, it could be a little sloshy. You want to be a little careful carrying it. So I came up with this. This happens to be a water bucket. This will carry water, and it fit beautifully in here. Fits underneath. So when this gets full, I simply take this off, pull the little tabs here, tie it up, and instead of walking to the dump station or putting this in your car, God forbid it gets caught on something and it breaks open, because this would be a little bit loose, I have this. And I can discreetly walk to the dump station, the garbage, or even a gas station or whatever, and take this out and dump it. So that's what I like. I like bucket toilets, and this one's nice and sturdy, and there's other ones out there. My sister has one and a friend of mine has one that has three legs, and it's a little unstable. You gotta kind of be wary of that. If you're a big guy, you might have trouble with it. This one, it happens to be very, very sturdy. Costs about $50, and this is probably about $15. And the other one, but the other one that has the three legs, that's really nice because it folds up compact. This one does fold up as well, so it's easy to carry. There we go. That's my camping toilet. And I know you also want, oh, the other thing is I have this in my tent, but when my husband comes camping with me, which is not that often, we like to have the toilet outside. So we have one of these. It folds up to just a flat nothing, a disc, and it's a shower. But I go ahead and put the toilet inside this. And it also will work as a shower. So I'm going to show you my shower because I've had trouble with showers when I'm camping. I used to get those types of showers where you fill it up with water, you put it out in the sun, it's a solar shower, and then you hang it up in a tree. Well, I cannot lift a gallon of water and get it up into a tree. I can't do it. I just don't have the strength for it. Plus I have to have a ladder in order to get it up high enough. So I thought maybe I'd try something else and just use a gallon tub of water and just sort of, do this. Well, that didn't work for me either because I cannot lift that water over my head. I have a frozen shoulder, and in case you watch the other videos, I'm a senior citizen. So I don't work out, so I don't have the strength. So instead, I do this. This is my shower. No, it's not Tropicana orange juice. It is water. Oh look, we have chocolate on it from the s'mores last night. Never mind that. Okay, so I have here on the top, I have holes. I punched a bunch of little holes, and I have one hole in the center. And if you want to just hold this over you and you squirt like this, just squeeze it. And you can warm your water up and mix it with cold water so you have, hot water, warm water, so you've got nice warm shower. Or you can do something else. You get a straw. No, you don't drink it. It doesn't work that way. You put a straw in the center hole. And this I found out on the internet as well, that depending upon how deep the straw is into the water, I'm gonna have to do it this way to get it in there. Depends upon how fast the water will come out while you're showering. Let's see, this might be a dud end of the video, but let's see if I can get this in here. Now we're gonna go this way. No, we're gonna go this way. Or we may not go at all. There we go. Now I got it the wrong way. I've got this little, let's see if I can get it. There we go. All right, so watch this. Let's see if this will work. Because you have to have, in order for the water to come out, you have to have some air going in. That's why in order to get the water out without the straw, you have to squeeze it out. This way, you have a running shower. If you put it further in, no, it won't work that way because I have the little bendy thing there. Let's take it further out. You get less water. So the further out, less water, the further in, more water. So you can control your water flow. So there's my shower, my toilet, and if it happens to be raining, wait, can you hold on just 1 second? I want to show you. Just keep that camera on the toilet. I'm back. So if you notice, there's no top on the shower thing here. So let's say it's raining outside and you want to use the bathroom. You take, there we go. Take your umbrella. There, you now have a covered toilet room. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, subscribing. Got some great comments, got some really funny comments too, and all of your advice on my tent awning, dripping, and all the rest. So have a great time camping and stay safe.